All right, let's dive right into this explainer. Today we are unpacking some truly fascinating science-backed insights from Diet Guru. This channel is run by a registered dietitian based right in South Africa, and they are completely changing the game when it comes to how we view our everyday meals, weight management, and our overall health. If you're exhausted by the endless noise of wellness influencers and you just want the hard facts, well, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get to it. 60%. Just let that massive number sink in for a second. Diet Guru points out a shockingly real statistic here, that 60% of our everyday food is literally destroying our gut. This right here is the absolute core of the ultra-processed food crisis. And we aren't just talking about obvious junk food either. We're talking about those sneaky items that end up in our pantries every single day and just wreak total havoc on our digestive systems. It's a massive wake-up call, right? So to make sense of all this, here is our roadmap for today. We'll start by tackling the diet misinformation crisis. Then we'll rethink some everyday food staples, uncover the hidden secrets of coffee, explore global palates and cuisine, look at some sustainable weight loss realities, and finally, talk about engaging the nutrition community. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the diet misinformation crisis, where it's all about science over fads. Let's be real, navigating diet culture today is just incredibly confusing. You open up your phone and suddenly a dozen different people are shouting a dozen different rules at you. But Diet Guru completely cuts through that noise by being a trusted source for science-backed nutrition advice directly from a registered dietitian. So instead of relying on random influencers who are just chasing views, this guidance is anchored entirely in professional, evidence-based practices. And you can see the contrast here, it's pretty stark. Your typical fad diets, they're all about those quick fixes, severely restricting entire food groups and pushing totally unverified, unsustainable claims. But the Diet Guru approach is like night and day compared to that. It relies on evidence-based guidance, highly practical strategies you can actually live with, and a focus on metabolism-boosting foods. Really, it's the difference between an exhausting cycle of yo-yo dieting and actually getting real sustainable results. Moving right along to Section 2, rethinking everyday food staples, going from PAP to carbs. Now, you might think you know everything about common cultural staples like pop, but conventional wellness circles often totally demonize them unfairly. Here is a mind-blowing insight from our South African registered dietitian. When you cool Phutu, which is pop, it actually creates resistant starch, a super powerful prebiotic. And get this, if you pair that cooled Phutu with Amasi, which is a traditional fermented milk, you create an absolute powerhouse gut-healing symbiotic. Amasi is a phenomenal local probiotic boasting way more bacterial diversity than those ridiculously expensive pills or sugary commercial yogurts. Plus, it plays a huge role in helping with lactose intolerance, muscle recovery, and boosting your immunity. It turns out these local, everyday traditions actually align perfectly with cutting-edge gut health science. How cool is that? Another perfect example of this whole misunderstanding is the absolute war on carbohydrates. We've basically been trained to fear all carbs, but we have got to understand the vital difference here. Refined carbs? Yes, those are heavily processed and stripped of their nutrients. Whole carbs, on the other hand, are incredibly nutrient-dense. The scientific evidence actually proves that eating whole carbs promotes weight loss and overall better health. So you don't have to banish carbs entirely, you just have to choose the right ones. And look, you definitely don't need to go out and buy tiny, expensive bottles of obscure supplements, because powerful nutrition is literally hiding right in your local grocery store. For instance, beetroot specifically aids with blood pressure management. Flaxseed oil, it's packed with omega-3s and is proven to help treat acne. And things like moringa, goji berries, and even humble garlic offer immense science-backed benefits for your body. It's all right there for the taking. All right, up next is Section 3, the secrets of coffee, looking at both its history and health impacts. So, Diet Guru poses a really fun and honestly slightly shocking question right off the bat. Can you actually taste the difference between decaf and regular coffee? It really challenges our palates, doesn't it? But it also opens up this fascinating door to explore the real nutritional and chemical differences between our morning brews. Like, are we actually addicted to the rich flavor or just the caffeine hit? To truly understand coffee, we have to take a look at its incredible history. It traces all the way back to the 9th century with its legendary discovery by a herd of curious Ethiopian goats, who apparently ate the berries and got delightfully hyperactive. From there, it skyrockets into the 20th century, becoming a massive global obsession, and eventually evolving to encompass the very unique modern history of Kenyan coffee. But obviously, the science goes way beyond just a history lesson. There are some profound, highly actionable links between drinking black coffee and weight loss. Like, did you know there is an exact, perfect mathematical ratio for brewing coffee at home? Diet Guru even shares some amazing barista secrets to make sure you are getting the absolute maximum health benefit and, of course, taste out of every single cup. Okay, moving on to section 4, Global Palates and Cuisine, where we are exploring the world. When Diet Guru actually polled their community about favorite cuisines, the results were just incredibly diverse, ranging heavily across French, American, Indian, African, and Chinese foods. What this brilliantly illustrates is that any sustainable healthy lifestyle must be flexible enough to accommodate all these different global palates. Health simply cannot be put into a one-size-fits-all box, right? I was honestly amazed to see how Diet Guru highlights French cuisine in particular. They prove that you can absolutely enjoy rich, incredible culinary traditions while still staying perfectly healthy. They teach you how to master essential French sauces in like 30 seconds, reveal these incredible restaurant secret starters you can whip up in minutes, and even take you on a cultural tour of Paris's overlooked 15th arrondissement. It is just such a wonderful reminder that eating well should be a joyful, worldly experience. Let's shift gears to Section 5, Sustainable Weight Loss Realities. I want you to really consider this core philosophy. The key to maintaining weight loss is undergoing programs that you will stick to for the rest of your life. When Diet Guru polled the community on this exact statement, an overwhelming majority voted true. And that just perfectly captures the reality of nutrition. Consistency will always beat extreme dieting. Think about it, if you can't see yourself eating a certain way 5 years from now, then it's just not a sustainable plan for you. The structured approach to making this a reality is incredibly simple, but so profound. You have to start at step 1 by actually understanding the 9 main root causes behind the obesity epidemic. Then you implement proven tips for fast but healthy results. You learn to build better everyday meals. And finally, you apply these strategies specifically to your kids and family health. This is exactly how you transform your entire household's relationship with food on a day-to-day basis. And bringing us to our final part, Section 6, Engaging the Nutrition Community. Take a look at this. When a community poll asked if there are valid reasons to take vitamin supplements, the responses were completely fractured across yes, no, and don't know. This proves just how much clarity everyday people still need on basic nutrition. It shows exactly why an evidence-based dietitian is so desperately needed in a landscape that's just crowded with confusing wellness marketing. And I absolutely love this bold statement from the creator. Watch the space. One day, some of my videos will generate 1 to 10% of Mr. Beast views. I say, watch out. One day is one day. This quote perfectly captures Diet Guru's relentless ambition. They have the enthusiasm to bring life-changing, evidence-based nutrition entirely out of the clinic and straight to millions of viewers online. It's awesome. So, as we wrap up this explainer today, I want to leave you with one final provocative question. Are you going to continue chasing those exhausting, confusing diet fads that just leave you right back where you started? Or will you finally embrace the science to sustainably heal your gut and your body? The evidence is out there, it's accessible, and it's quite literally sitting right in your local grocery store. It's time to let science guide your plate.